everybody. It's been a late start on my vlog. It's 3:43. I was ready at 1 o'clock, but I didn't go anywhere. I just didn't need to go anywhere. I didn't feel like it. So I do have to go to the grocery store so I can buy the mums for Memorial Day, but I'll do that in a minute. That's all I have to do. I'm eating this fruit that I bought on Friday. It's finally a little soft and sweet. Sometimes I just love a good fruit bowl. Anyway, I'm going to finish some fruit and then we'll go get some mums, okay? Before we go, I just wanted to show, today I have my Essie nail polish on. This is called Mademoiselle, and this is one of my all-time favorites. It's so pretty on short, stubby nails. I ended up cutting my nails because they were just so, they were too long and I kept smacking them on things, and then my nails wouldn't break, but the nail polish would crack. And so I just got fluster-pated and I cut them off. So here's some better light, but yeah. So when I have natural nails, I love this. This is the best formula. It doesn't streak whatsoever, and I put 3 coats on, and it's just so pretty, and anybody can wear it. And then of course I have my Sally Hansen Insta Dry. I just bought this one last week. The other one I had was getting a little old, so I bought a new one. I love these. I love them. So I went walking last night in my New Balance tennis shoes that I bought at Nordstrom Rack yesterday, and I love them. They are so light as a feather. They are light and airy as a cloud. They just weigh practically nothing, and I noticed it immediately when I went walking. I was like, wow, my legs, my feet, they just felt the difference immediately. Of course my heel still hurt a little. It's, what is it, fasciitis or whatever. I forgot what you call it in your heel. But anyway, so my doctor, and you guys have also told me just to stretch out my foot every night, like, or just every day, like 10 times a day, and ice it and stuff like that, which I have not iced it yet. But anyway, so it still hurt in my shoe until I got warmed up, and then my foot didn't hurt anymore. But I love those shoes way better than what I have now. Right now I have some Asics, and they're not that comfortable, and they're a little bit, oh, where am I going? They're a little bit heavier than my New Balance, and they're not as cute. What's going on here? There's like a trillion cars coming. It's like, really? I need to get over, okay? So, and then today I'm wearing my new sandals that I bought yesterday. They are the Eurosoft, and they're by Soft, the brand Soft, and they are soft. Oh, I love them. They feel so good. And I forgot to show you, but there's a buckle on the ankle. It doesn't buckle. It's hook and loop. So you just pull and stick. I love it. Except for, it's hard because I always have a tendency to just pull it too tight, and then I have to undo it and adjust it and undo it and adjust it. So until I get used to that, it'll be a little bothersome, but the shoes are so, the sandals are so comfortable. Oh, so comfortable. And they had the same ones at DSW for $5 more. I got these at Nordstrom Rack. And so they were $44.95, something like that, at the Rack, and $49.95 at DSW. And this shirt I got, was it last year or the year before? And I've never worn it before. I can totally shop my closet and find new things to wear. But yeah, so I like that. I like my shirt, and I'm wearing my leggings, and it is 69 degrees. I made it back from the store, and I didn't realize that one of these things was smaller than the other. That's okay. So I will just hold on to these in the kitchen until Friday when we take them up to the cemetery. I forgot that I had Coke. I bought Cokes last week, so now we have Coke for days. Daryl wanted some cookies, so I got him some reduced fat Chips Ahoy. We like the reduced fat better just because they're a little crispier. They're not so dense. They're really good. And then I bought the last box of this Liquid IV. This is really good. It's a hydration multiplier. So you put one of these pixies in a bottle of water and it equals 3 bottles of hydration. And it was the last lemon lime. I've never tried the lemon lime, so I was excited to try that, or to find that. This time I got the lemon daisy cookies. Last Friday I got the raspberry ones. And actually what I did was cut them up. I cut each one in half, wrapped them in saran wrap, and put them in the freezer. That way I won't be tempted to eat them all so fast. So, that's what I'm going to do with these. Put them in the freezer. Holy crap, those are good. So these are lemon filled. They're just like little lemon goo in there. And then there's raspberry goo in the other ones. And I'm almost out of peanut butter, and I thought, oh, honey peanut butter. So I went ahead and grabbed this. That way I won't even bother putting jam on my wasa and peanut butter cracker. Like I'll take a wasa cracker and put peanut butter on it with a little tiny bit of jelly. This way I'll just put this on it, and that's it. And then I had to get these. I didn't realize how expensive they were. I didn't see the price tag, and then the lady tried to ring them up and they wouldn't ring up. So they had to do a price check on them. They were $6.99. Holy crap. Don't tell Daryl, he will die. So I'm gonna try one of these because peach cream soda, yes please. And it's a Utah thing, the Wasatch and the little beehive. Yeah. So here we go, I'm gonna try one. They just twist off. These aren't cold. This smells peachy. Oh my. This is delightful. Brigham's Brew. Peaches and cream. This is flippin' awesome. Oh my. Oh, worth every cent, you guys. Worth every cent. Oh my. It says Peachy Keen at the bottom. It is Peachy Keen. Handcrafted. Holy mackerel. I hope this isn't like just like a part-time thing. I hope it's a full-time thing. I hope they always have this. It's amazing. Oh my. And while I have you up on my little tripod, I'm gonna try a little piece of lemon cookie. Here they are. They are softer than a baby's butt. They must have been made today. Oh. They're good. But the raspberry ones are better. I didn't realize it until just now, but the ones with lemon, they don't have, there's a flavor, I think it's like almond extract or something that the raspberry ones have in them. This just has no flavor. But they're good. The cream cheese frosting makes it all good. Yeah, so just forget what I said. There's no criticism here. These are good. So I'm gonna cut these in half, put them in the freezer. Look at this. It's so, this is just the frosting. These are very rich. That's why I can only eat a little at a time. And then when they're in the freezer, out of sight, out of mind. So I still have like 2.5 raspberry cookies left. All right. I just wanted to have a bite of my cookies. My love bug just texted and said he's bringing home half a sandwich from his lunch today, so that's his dinner. So we're fending, and I don't know what I want. I don't want a frozen meal. I don't want bacon and eggs. I don't want macaroni and cheese. What? I know. I don't know what I want. So I'll probably end up having a smoothie and then just go for a walk. You know what I mean? Oh, step in, step out. I put this box down for her because she and Lola used to lay and sleep, or they used to sleep in shoe boxes all the time. And then when Lola died, Momo didn't sleep in boxes anymore. So she seemed kind of interested earlier, so I've set this out for her, and she just walks in and walks out. Walk in, walk out. Do you like my new sandals? Do ya? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, that's for you. That's for you to sleep in, not poo in. Let's sit back, shall we? Let's relax a little. So, it's 5:35 right now. I guess I'll start walking at about 7, and then I don't know, it just gets harder and harder for me to do my walks because my left foot hurts. Plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis. I don't remember the words. And then my right hip hurts, and I told my doctor about that. I went to the doctor last week just for a checkup to have med RXs refilled and things, and I was mentioning my foot. And then I mentioned my right hip, and so he's all moving my leg around. No, and I was like, no, that doesn't hurt. That doesn't hurt. He's like, well, if you had arthritis in your hip, it would hurt. And I'm like, well, so this thing hurts, and I don't know why, and it's just hard to explain it. But anyway, so sometimes I limp when I walk, when I go for my walks, and sometimes I don't. It just depends on how bad it hurts. But anyway, I just look like a mess when I'm out walking. I'm like limping on both sides because each side hurts in a different way. And then I come home and I have about 3 steps out in front that I have to climb up. And you know how you take one step, one step, one step. That's what I do. And I look like a mess, and the neighbors are probably like, dang, she looks like she's in pain. And then, on the other hand, they probably don't ever notice me at all. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Okay, everybody, I am going for my walk now in my new kicks. It's a little chilly out here today. Hey everybody, it's the next morning. I wasn't able to do closet time because I was just too sore and tired. I couldn't do anything when I got back. So this is so dumb. So I went number 1 before I went on my walk. Well, the minute I leave the house and get 2 minutes away from the house, I realized I have to use the bathroom again. But I didn't want to walk all the way back. So I just did my 2-mile walk. And then by this point, I'm like, I have got to go home and use the bathroom. I can't go anymore because I like to go do my 4-mile walk. So came home, used the bathroom, and then at this point, my left foot hurt so bad and my back hurt so bad that I was like, I'm not going back out there. So I went downstairs and walked another 1.5 miles on the treadmill. So by the time I was done with that, I was out of commission. I took a shower And then I just like laid there on my bed. I had to blow dry my hair and everything. I was so tired and sore. My back was killing me just from my spinal stenosis and my arthritis in my back, and my foot was killing me. I was exhausted. And so I was like, nope, I don't have the energy or the strength to get in there and do closet time. So anyway, here it is. It's closet time on the bed the next morning. Yep. She's just having a bath. So anyway, that's that. I hope you had a great day today or yesterday, and I hope you had a wonderful sleepy. And we'll talk to you next time. I just love you. Bye, everybody.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.